So welcome to Nature and Nature Boy. Now I am going to tell about the India's largest online nursery, the Exoticflora. In this video I am going to cover the top 5 advantages of Exoticflora when compared to other online nursery. And also I have ordered some plants with this Exoticflora, and I think in next video I will share my live experience while unboxing the plants which I have purchased from online, and also I will give my feedback after receiving the plants. So without any further delay, let's move on the video. So now let's talk about the first and foremost advantage of this nursery is the delivery option. You can order plants from any part of India. For instance, taking from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, even from Andaman and Nicobar, you can simply order the plants and you will get the plants at your place in a given specific time. And the more advantage about this, the COD option is also available. I think this option is not available from on other nurseries, because I have seen many nurseries they are giving delivery option for some few selected cities and some metropolitan cities only. So no delivery option for all over India and also some remote areas. So this is the main advantage of this Exoticflora. You can select the plants and you can order from any part of India happily. The second most fruity advantage is their collection of fruit plants. They have different varieties of fruit plants for temperate foods, tropical and subtropical food. For instance, taking some example of exotic varieties: peach, pear, plum, lychee, areca nut, avocado, coconut, and for example take the varieties of mango: Alfonso, Suvarnarekha, Sindhu, and Banganpalli, Totapuri, etc. And for take the example of citrus group, we have sweet lemon, seedless lemon, and oranges, quinoa, seedless lemon. So they have different varieties of collection. So I think you will find almost all the fruits which are grown in India you can find here. So this is the best platform for fruit plants. So I recommend you to please go through this website if you are seeing for the fruit plants. Apart from the fruit collections, all the fruit plants they have, all are grafted one and others are exotic variety, and all are early bearing fruits. So I think whatever the fruit plants which are available in India, almost 99% of the fruits are available in this website. So for fruit plants, better to go through Exoticflora. So now let's talk about the flowering plants. I think there is no nursery without the flower plants, but the Exoticflora flower collection is totally different, and it is so interesting because they have collection of year-round flowering plants in creeper and climber, which is more exciting because almost we can find every creeper and climbers which are available in Indian climatic conditions. For example, taking from cotton creeper to Rangoon creeper, petria, flaming trumpet, and bleeding heart, and different creeper and climbers in bougainvillea, jasmine. So there is a huge collection of flowering plants. So you will not find any nursery which have such a large type of collections other than Exoticflora. And apart from the flowering plant, they have fully loaded with the perfuming plant. In perfuming plants, they have large collections. For example, almost all jasmine varieties from creeper to shrub, every jasmine is there, and champa variety. In champa variety, we have Michaelia Himachalam champa, and Magnolia dwarf cocoa, white champa, and Hari champa. Coral jasmine, that is Parijata, and Valeris glabra, and other like satinwood, murray paniculate. All these are fully loaded with different perfumes which make your garden and home so perfuming. So now let's talk about the fourth advantage of the Exoticflora is their outdoor collection. In their outdoor collection, they have excellent collections of flowering trees, avenue trees, and some special exotic collection of trees. So now let's talk about some exotic plants like Rudraksha and Brindavan champa and Sita Ashoka, and other flowering trees like Gulmohar, Neelmohar, Tabebia argentea, Tabebia rosea, Acacia nodosa, Acacia javanica, and flame of the forest, Gulmohar, Neelmohar, Millingtonia, Bahunia, and some other roadside plantation trees are like Conocorpus erectus, Terminalia arjuna, Terminalia catappa, Terminalia mentali, and others like Mimosa silenci, green, and also variegated is also available. And apart from that, they have also good collection of kitchen and spice plants. For instance, elaichi, cardamom, and cinnamon, curry leaf, sandalwood, and pepper climber, and betel nut, and areca nut, and other spices are also there like citronella grass, lemongrass, and some they also have good collection of medicinal plants. I will try to keep the plant list in the description. So this is all about the outdoor plants. And the last advantage is their customer service support. Really they are so friendly and easy to communicate, and they will help us in order to select our plants according to our need, and also they will help and guide after purchasing your plant. For instance, if your plant is also delivered wrongly, or your plant got damaged during the transport, then they will check it and they will replace it without any additional charges. And also they provide post purchase services, like if your plant is not growing good in your conditions, then they will guide you with the help of their horticulture expert, and they will guide you step by step how to revive your plant. So every full support will be provided by the customer service support. So all this about the Exoticflora. And in next video I will share my experience after receiving my plants from Exoticflora which I have ordered. So I will tell details about how to unbox and how to take initial care in next video. And also my top 10 plants which I already posted in YouTube, like top 10 flowering trees, top 10 border plants, and other top 10 creepers and climbers, and other top 10s which I have already uploaded in YouTube. You can find all these plants in the Exoticflora nursery. So please go through this if you want to buy all this top 10.